Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, December 16th. Christmas is in a week. Hope everybody's doing well and not stressing too much. I've got a lot done here. All my shopping, gift shopping is done. We host Christmas Eve, the whole weekend, so I have a lot of food shopping to do, but we started baking, the kids and I, the things we could freeze ahead of time, but this weekend actually we're going to make our gingerbread cookies and other cookies throughout the week. So it's a fun time, and it's supposed to be nasty weather here on Friday and Saturday. I'm filming this on Thursday, so perfect time to bake and get the house ready. So I did do a little shopping this week, and I wanted to show you what I got. So yeah, let's get started. The first item is this wall calendar I got from Walmart. And it's the Pusheen the Cat 2023 calendar. I've been having Pusheen calendars in my craft room for the past couple of years, and they're just so cute and cheerful. It's only $9.96 at Walmart. If you look on like calendars.com, it's like $15 or so. And it comes with stickers, and these are all the pictures throughout the year. So it's a fun calendar, and I do use it. So yeah, I was glad to find that at Walmart. I went to Hobby Lobby. I saw a few people post that their Christmas decor is 70% off. Their party stuff was still 60% off, like party and what else? Tableware, but decor is 70% off, like ornaments and things like that. My store is really cleaned out. They hardly had any Christmas decor left. So Oh, and the crafts were 70% off too. And those, they had like one small section of an aisle that had Christmas crafts left. So I missed the big rush on that. But I did find a few things. I got some of these chenille stems, and they're only $1.99. So 70% off is what, like 60 cents? So I got 2 packs of these. When I make my primitive candy canes, I take a few of these and twist them together and use those for the base. So it's good to have them on hand for next year. And they're really nice and long too, which is good. It doesn't really matter what color you use, but since they're on sale, why not, right? And then this was actually misplaced. It was not in the Christmas ornament aisle. It was like back in the regular clearance. I think somebody had just picked it up and decided to put it down. But it's this cute peppermint tree, and I had seen this before and never picked it up, so I got it this time. So it was $4.99, but 70% off. So I thought that was a really good price, $1 something. And it says Christmas 2022, but on the back it says 2017. So I guess that's when it first came out. But I love this candy cane ornament, and it'll go perfect in my gingerbread decor. So there's that. And then, let's see, I think that was all the Christmassy, like official Christmas stuff I got. I did get these stickers in the regular sticker aisle, and Paper Studio is 40% off this week. So I don't remember if I have these or not. I don't remember seeing them before. So they came out last year, I guess. So it comes with 2 sheets of stickers, and it looks like they're clear. So I always like that to put on envelopes and stuff. And they're really cute Christmas coffee and hot chocolate drinks. So I got those. And then, let's see. Oh, also Paper Studio. I found these like gemmies. And they feel like they're acrylic or resin or something. It says adhesive gems, but they're so pretty, aren't they? I don't know if you could tell, but they're kind of iridescent, very glittery, but I love the colors too. So this will be great for Valentine's crafting, I think. So it just comes with those 16, $2.99, 40% off. And then I got a pack of smaller ones too. And they're not exactly the same, but they're smaller hearts. Aren't these pretty? Look at the shape of those hearts. They're just kind of like, pushed out to the side a little bit. So there's 2 rows of this pretty clear iridescent one, and then there's white, pink, darker pink, aqua, and purple. So great colors, right? This one was even cheaper, $2.49 and 70% off. So I don't really go down the sticker aisle that much, and that's where these were. So I don't know if they're new or what. What year did I say they were? Oh, these are 2022. I didn't say the year. Okay, so they came out this year at least. And let's see. Okay, I got this paint because I like the yellow color, and I have some things I need to do some DIYing too. So, and I like chalk paint. And this one is called Summer Porch, and it was $1.59, the Folk Art brand. And I got these garment pins. They were the only pack that I saw there of the Singer brand, and they're cheaper than their Sewology brand. So it was $1.99 per 50, they call them bulb safety pins. And they're 7/8 inch. There's silver ones and black ones, and those are the colors I use. So I like to use these to hang charms off of tags and bows and stuff like that. So got those, and then I got a couple of spools of thread on clearance, and these were reduced to $2.74 from $10.99. Wow. So that's what's that, like a 75% discount? Why are they so much? I mean, they're Pima cotton, I guess that's why. And it comes with 1,200 yards. So yeah, that's a lot of thread on here. So this will be great for quilting and other sewing projects. It is a really pretty cotton. You can see the sheen on there. So I got white and pink, and yeah, so I grabbed those. And then, whoop, rolling away. And then in the jewelry shop section, in like the resin crafting, they had this like little pack of different conversation hearts, and I thought these were adorable. So it's got like the typical ones. The pink ones say love. That one says sweet kiss, the yellow one. So cute. I cannot read that purple one. That one says be mine, love you, more love, kiss me, love, XOXO. That, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it's blue with like dots on it and a little red thing. I don't know, it kind of looks like a blueberry. So that was cute, right? And this was $3.99. I think they were 50% off. Maybe they were 40, but I seem to remember 50. So got those for Valentine's crafting. And let's see, whoops. I picked up these buttons in the Sewology section. I'm going to be working on some more sewing projects, and I like how nice and just like unfinished these are. I was thinking of maybe painting them. So got those, and they're a good size too, 40 pieces. And then, I'm making a mess over here. I picked up some glitter foam in this like really pretty gold color. It's by Silly Winks, 12 by 18, and it was 99 cents. This is great to die cut, especially if you're going to be die cutting sentiments, because then you don't have to like layer it on top of something. You know, it just pops out of this, and you have like a instantly raised word. So that's what I like to use these for. And I don't think I have gold, so actually it's called bronze. So it looks like a champagne gold to me, so I really like that. It doesn't really look bronzy, I don't think. So I'll move that over here so it doesn't blind anybody. I think that was it from Hobby Lobby. Let me just look at my receipt. Yeah, I think that's it. All that was $23.22, including tax, so not bad. And okay, I got an order in from Frantic Stamper. I ordered from Fran last week because Maha Designs has a new Valentine paper line out. So I picked up a 6x6 of that, and it's called Special Day. There's also, I think there's a 12x12 pack, and then there are individual sheets as well. So I think this is kind of Valentine-y. It's 24 sheets. 3 each of 8 double-sided pattern papers, includes 3 sheets to cut out. So I haven't opened it yet. I thought maybe we could do that together. As you know, Valentine's Day, it's pretty much the next, big crafty holiday. And I have been doing some Valentine crafting for my design team work, so I figured I'd get some more paper. So yeah, so let's take a look. That's the cover page, gives you a hint of what is inside. So this is the first page. This is a really pretty, it's kind of like a pinky coral color, not like a light pink. Very pretty. And it's got some like robin's egg blue kind of in there. Not really aqua or teal, more blue. And then the back is that plaid. So what they say, 3 of each, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then there's this all over floral prints. Really pretty colors. It would look nice with like plain coral paper, I think. And then the back is this polka dot. Yeah, actually that polka dot, or that solid color. It's like a brightish orangey red. I don't know why I'm trying to describe it. You could see it. So, and there's some like faint script on it too. Makes it look nice and vintage. So 3 of those. This is really pretty. I love little prints like this. Just like pretty hearts, you know, kind of watercolory looking. Some are lighter, some are darker, some distressing, and printing on or script on the edges. Love that one. And then that's the back. It's got like a white leaf print and then some other botanical kind of prints. Really pretty. They all go so nicely together. So 3 of those. And then this, oh, look at that pretty floral. Isn't that nice? So nice and delicate. And then the back has these balloons, so you could use that for other holidays as well. Balloons aren't really for Valentine's, I don't think, but special day. So maybe for any other kind of special day. And then here we are going into the blue papers. So this has that same reddish coral color with some blue. Yeah, it's definitely more blue than robin's egg. And then the back is this pretty small scale floral. Love that. And then this one are blue balloons. And then the back is, this is a typical pattern for Maha design. I love it. It's so pretty, just a tonal floral, very subtle. Here's a pretty brown print with tiny leaves. And then the back are the brown polka dots. Love their polka dots. And then this is the cut apart page. So it's got all the small little cut aparts on your special day. Happy Valentine's Day from me to you. Happy birthday to you, with love from me to you. So all sorts of special day, just what they called it. I love you, enjoy your special day. They're pretty. I don't know if I would really use these, but I'd probably use the back side. I like that a lot better. So that's Special Day by Maha Designs. I just love their papers. You know, I always get their 6x6s. So there was that from Frantic Stamper. And I also picked up another thing of Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. I love this glue and I never want to be without it. So while I was ordering, I got that. I picked up another Memento Tuxedo Black for when I run out of the other one. I got this Distress Oxide in Ground Espresso. I hadn't remembered seeing this in stores, but then when I was at Hobby Lobby, they have it there. So I don't know. I just picked it up from there. It's a nice dark brown. I love to use browns for like the edges to distress things on cards and embellishments. So I thought I would try a nice darker brown sometimes. So I'll let you know how that works out. And then the last thing I got is this embossing folder from Spellbinders. And this one is called Orange Peel Quilt. And it's a 5x7 3D embossing folder. So actually it's 5.5 by 8.5. So it's really big. And it looks like this. I did try it out, so I'll show you. And this just came out this year. They don't have this one at Hobby Lobby. They didn't have it at mine anyway. And I've always wanted to make an orange peel quilt, but it's kind of intimidating to do, so I haven't made one. So I figured I could just make one with paper and cheat. So this is what it looks like when you use it. So this is, you could use either side really. This I think is the deboss side. Isn't that nice? I used some cream texture paper from AC Cardstock. It's nice and big, as you could see. And then that's the other side. So pretty, right? It's got like, when you're, well, it's got these parts here that are the orange peel. It kind of, when you see it in a quilt, it's like kind of folded back and it looks really pretty. It's hard to describe, but if you ever want to see what one looks like, go ahead and Google an orange peel quilt. They're really pretty. So yeah, so anyway, I thought this was really nice. It'll be a great background for cards or for tags, and it's so big that it's very versatile, so you can use it for any size project really. So it worked really well. So that's it for my haul this week. I don't think I'll be back for Satmorn Makes this week, just because I have a lot of Christmassy, cooking and stuff to do to get ready for Christmas. But hopefully I'll be able to get some more crafting in. I want to do some more sewing. I always want to do sewing this time of year, so I'm going to try to fit that into my schedule too. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think about my haul. I know it's kind of short, but I got some good stuff, I think. And I hope you guys are doing well and that you have a wonderful weekend. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.